Ever wondered if what you drink could actually rejuvenate your nerves and shield them from damage? Well, what if I told you that some simple beverages might just be your nervous system's best friends? Hi everyone, welcome back to the WellBoost channel. If you're watching this, you're probably like me, always on the lookout for natural ways to boost your health. Today, we're diving into the world of beverages that are not only refreshing, but are packed with benefits to help repair and protect your nervous system. From nerve-nourishing smoothies to anti-inflammatory teas, I'll share the top drinks that are backed by science to enhance nerve health. And trust me, they're as delicious as they are beneficial. So whether you're dealing with nerve pain, looking to prevent nerve damage, or just want to keep your nervous system in tip-top shape, stick around. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into it. Ready to find out which drinks can make a difference in your nerve health? Let's start. Kicking off our list is none other than green tea, renowned not just for its refreshing taste, but for its impressive health benefits, particularly in enhancing nerve health. This ancient beverage, steeped in both history and catechins, offers a gentle yet powerful boost to your body's defensive and reparative systems. Green tea is rich in polyphenols, especially epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which is a potent antioxidant. These antioxidants combat oxidative stress, a key villain in the deterioration of nerve cells, and have been studied for their effects in nerve regeneration. Regular consumption can help maintain the integrity of your nervous system, aiding in the repair and regeneration of nerve tissue, thereby promoting better overall nerve function. Moreover, green tea isn't just a nerve protector, it's a brain enhancer. Thanks to L-theanine, an amino acid unique to tea, it provides a calming effect while improving focus and mental clarity. This dual action makes it a superb choice for those looking to reduce anxiety and boost cognitive functions. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine is incredibly simple and immensely beneficial. Whether enjoyed hot with a splash of lemon or chilled as a refreshing iced beverage, a cup or two each day can substantially enhance your nerve health and mental well-being. Next on our soothing journey is the turmeric latte, often lovingly called golden milk. This vibrant drink isn't just a feast for the eyes, it's a powerhouse of healing for your nerves. Turmeric, the star ingredient, is celebrated around the world for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, mainly due to curcumin, its active component. Curcumin has been extensively studied and shown to play a significant role in reducing inflammation and managing pain associated with nerve damage. But why a latte? When combined with warm milk, the bioavailability of curcumin is significantly enhanced, especially when you add a pinch of black pepper to the mix. This increases absorption, making the healing effects more pronounced and beneficial for those suffering from nerve-related issues. Drinking a turmeric latte can be a relaxing ritual, perfect for your morning start or as a soothing end to your day. Its creamy texture and warm, spicy flavor not only comfort the palate but also offer profound benefits to nerve health and overall inflammation. Next on our list is a delightful treat that's as nutritious as it is delicious: the berry smoothie. This vibrant concoction is a favorite for a reason. It's packed with flavors and a powerhouse of nutrients vital for nerve health. Berries are a superfood for the nerves. They're loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin E, which protect your cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, two common culprits in nerve damage. The natural sweetness and high fiber content also make berries an excellent choice for a healthful snack or meal addition. What's more, the natural sugars in berries provide a quick energy boost, while their high fiber content helps maintain steady blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and crashes. This stable energy supply is crucial for maintaining healthy nerve function. Enjoying a berry smoothie is a refreshing way to start your day or a splendid pick-me-up in the afternoon. It's simple to make, utterly customizable with your favorite fruits or ins like chia seeds or oats, and it's a fantastic way to support your nervous system with every sip. Next on our list is something a bit different yet incredibly beneficial: bone broth. This nutrient-dense liquid has been a staple in traditional diets for centuries, and for good reason. Bone broth is rich in collagen, amino acids like glycine, and minerals such as calcium and magnesium, which are essential for nerve health and regeneration. These nutrients play a critical role in rebuilding nerve tissue and maintaining the health of the nervous system. Moreover, the high collagen content in bone broth supports not only your nerves, but also your joints, skin, and gut health. It's a holistic approach to wellness that benefits multiple aspects of your body's functioning. This liquid gold can enhance the overall resilience of your nerves, making them more efficient at transmitting signals. Integrating bone broth into your diet can be as simple as drinking a warm cup in the morning or using it as a base for soups and stews. Its rich, savory flavor enhances any dish while packing a powerful nutritional punch, providing a foundation for both physical and neural health. Moving on, let's turn up the zest with our next beneficial brew, ginger lemon tea. This invigorating combination isn't just a delight to the senses, it also packs a significant punch when it comes to nerve health. Ginger is well known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help soothe nerve pain and reduce inflammation throughout the body. These benefits make it particularly valuable for those suffering from conditions like neuropathy or general nerve discomfort. Adding lemon not only boosts the flavor profile but also infuses the tea with a healthy dose of vitamin C, which is crucial for repairing damaged nerve cells and bolstering the immune system. Vitamin C helps in the synthesis of collagen, which is essential for repairing connective tissues and maintaining nerve integrity. This tea is not just soothing, it's also energizing. It's the perfect drink to start your day or to recharge your afternoon. The combination of ginger and lemon not only stimulates your taste buds, but also stimulates nerve repair and protection. Next in our lineup of nerve-nourishing beverages is walnut milk. This creamy, nutty drink isn't just a tasty alternative to dairy, it's a powerhouse for brain and nerve health. Walnuts are one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which is essential for maintaining the integrity and functionality of the nervous system. These healthy fats are vital for building cell membranes around nerve cells, enhancing their ability to communicate effectively. Regular consumption of walnut milk can help improve cognitive function and prevent degenerative nerve diseases by protecting nerves from oxidative stress and inflammation. It's not only good for your brain, but also for your entire nervous system. Incorporating walnut milk into your diet is simple. Drink it by itself, use it in smoothies, or pour it over your morning cereal. Its mild flavor and creamy texture make it a delightful addition to a variety of dishes, enhancing both their flavor and nutritional value. Last, but certainly not least, let's dive into the fizzy, tangy world of kombucha, a fermented tea that's both a treat to the palate and a boon for your body. Kombucha is famed not just for its unique taste, but also for its impressive array of health benefits, particularly for the nervous system. The fermentation process enriches kombucha with a spectrum of B vitamins, particularly vitamin B12, which is crucial for maintaining healthy nerve cells and the proper functioning of the nervous system. Moreover, kombucha is loaded with probiotics. These beneficial bacteria play an essential role in gut health, which is directly linked to brain health through the gut-brain axis. A healthy gut can lead to reduced inflammation throughout the body, including in the nervous system. Integrating kombucha into your daily regimen can help manage stress, enhance digestion, and boost your immune system, all while supporting nerve health. Its slight effervescence makes it an enjoyable substitute for sugary sodas and an excellent choice for a healthy, refreshing drink. And there you have it, 7 incredible drinks that are not only delicious, but can also significantly boost your nerve health. From the powerful antioxidants in green tea to the probiotic-rich kombucha, each of these beverages offers unique benefits to keep your nervous system in top shape. Remember, incorporating these drinks into your daily routine can help protect and regenerate nerve cells, reduce inflammation, and enhance overall well-being. Whether you start your day with a turmeric latte or unwind with a soothing cup of ginger lemon tea, each sip brings you closer to optimal nerve health. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and wellness advice. Let us know in the comments which drink you're most excited to try, or if you have any favorites of your own. See you in the next video.